my name is Elizabeth Guthrie. I'm an attorney with Swartz & Swartz. I practice personal injury, medical malpractice, employment discrimination, and many more areas of law. But today we're going to talk about how you sue the government when the government or an employee has injured you. Back in the 1600s, before America really existed, there was a rule called sovereign immunity. You couldn't sue the government for anything because they didn't want you to. But since that time, the government has waived much more of their immunity by statute. For example, in Massachusetts, the state government has waived its sovereign immunity via the Massachusetts Tort Claims Act. How does that impact you? Well, if you are walking on a sidewalk, you trip over something, you fall, you hurt yourself, you want to get your medical bills paid. You go talk to an attorney, you say, who can I sue? You worry because you hear maybe it's the MBTA, the Massachusetts Bay Transit Authority, maybe it's another government entity. You can sue them. You may be wondering, how does a lawsuit against the government work? It works much the same as a regular negligence lawsuit works. If you're walking up the stairs in a parking garage that's owned by the government and there's a bunch of trash strewn there that was not properly maintained and you trip and fall, you just sue the government. It's very simple. It works the same way as regular lawsuits. Another important thing to remember is that there is, for almost all cases against the Massachusetts government, a cap of $100,000 per plaintiff. The exception to that rule is the MBTA. They do not have that $100,000 cap. Don't be afraid just because you got injured on government property or just because you got injured by a government employee to come to us with your case. You can still sue and you can still get money for your claim.